Hey guys, what's up there? King Auger 1. Please like and subscribe. Today we are going to be taking my drone out. I got a Mavic Pro Platinum the other day and I found out about Active Track and I'm pretty excited. I'm going to try to make some cool videos of the Mustang and see what we can do with that. Or at least get some cool footage. Also, I got this thing for like 10 bucks. It has like some change in it and stuff. These going. I was just taking these bottle rockets and breaking them off and shoving in there. I've probably shoved in about 20 of them so far. I don't really know how I'm gonna light it. I was thinking about maybe just sticking a stick in there and lighting it on fire, or maybe taking like a piece of paper or some toilet paper and throwing it in there. Haven't really decided, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a pretty cool thing. I hope. I just hope they all light up and go off. That'll be way cool. So yeah, pretty excited about that. We'll get this done really quick and then we're gonna go out and see what we can figure out. All right guys, so we just barely got out here. We're in the middle of Utah by this big lake. We're gonna go blow up this Superman really quick. I'm super excited to see how it goes. I want to get all the change out, so we're gonna go over there and get this taken care of real quick. Meanwhile, well, we saw how that went out. The wind apparently is too rough, so we're just gonna get some cooler pictures of the car, I guess.